Hey, hello, hello. Is the music there? Okay, I think now the music is. So this has been the. Okay. I think we are just starting. Are there people here? I think there are 4 people. Interesting. Hey, hi Varun. Varun. Oh wow, Varun, you have 2 accounts. Hi. So one is a member, one is not a member. Cool, cool, cool. Do we need timestamps here? Moderation activity. Moderation activity will be shown. What does this mean? It's better, maybe we want to see some moderations for sure. Okay guys, so today is an Apple event. I just came to know about it. Like, I know when Tim Cook published this post, but then suddenly in the evening someone told me today's event, right? So I'm waiting for it. I don't know where we can watch it because I can't see any link. Usually it starts at 10:30. So once I'll be finishing this stream, then we can start watching it as well. Like, I'll be watching it. I want to see what they are going to launch today. Cool. So yeah, coming back to the work, I have something interesting to share. One of the coolest thing which I was doing is that I have installed this client. I think I mentioned it quite a lot of times. It's in VS Code, and this has my Claude API key. So it's technically free, just uses the API key. And another is I can change it to DeepSeek. So it allows me to enter my DeepSeek key, Reasoner. So there is a planning and act 2 options, and I was doing some work with it today, and it was interesting. Like, the way it was working, it was very fast. The only thing which I did not like is how much API calls this is taking. It costed me like almost $1 to make one small change in my project. So this made me realize either the queries are not very optimized compared to what Cursor and Windsurf can do, because definitely Cursor doesn't take that much. Like, I have enabled API key in it, and it did not use almost $1 in my case. But here I paid like $1. You mean like 80 rupees for one small change? That was updating the landing page title. So it took a lot of cache, context, and that I think that thing costed me this much. And I'm also not very sure if it's calculating this properly, or is it just a client side token calculation they are doing. Bits of Mandal. Hello, Bits of Mandal. How are you doing? Israr, hello. How are you doing? How is your vacation in Goa going on? Your vacation? Are you having fun? These days I have noticed like the weather is a bit more hot compared to how it was 2 weeks back. Like, nowadays it's almost, my AC is at 24. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit hotter these days. And another thing which we have, Varun, I need some details. You tell me to write a script for video where we take 5 photo frames and pass that data to GPT. Yes, Varun, you can ask me, or maybe like I can just quickly go through an Excel draw and we can just, so I can share right here. So this is the piece which I was talking about. What we can do is, let me just quickly share this. So what we will do is, right, Bits of Mandal, rainy in West Bengal. Oh wow, I would want some rain here, like not much, just one day rain, so it becomes a little bit clearer. The atmosphere has like a lot of foggy, so I'm not seeing a lot like good crisp sunsets from last 1 week. So if it rains, and I think the atmosphere will become more clearer, I would enjoy that. Oh, I didn't feel it's hot compared to Mumbai, and I'm loving it. Been to Butterfly Beach riding scooty for 40 kilometers. Oh, wow. Yeah, Butterfly Beach is interesting. You have to do that trekking as well into the woods to reach to that place. It's a beautiful beach, secluded, kind of like. When I went, there was no one. Harshit, welcome. Harshit giving the attendance here. Very interesting, Harshit. Thanks for joining every day. I really appreciate that. You will ask for the chill guy, so let me just bring it here. Is it visible? Okay, today my view is a little bit, weird, you can say. I think it's fine. It's fine. I just want it. Okay, so Varun, I was sharing this info, right? What we want is, so what I did actually, I wrote an SSH. This is a shell script which you will write. So this shell script will use ffmpeg library. And using ffmpeg, what we want to, like, for example, if I am running this script on some directory, right? Israr, okay, see, you are going for dinner. Awesome. Enjoy, Israr. Enjoy your dinner. There are good food places on South Goa. So yeah, enjoy the fish thali. Okay, so with shell script, you will writing an ffmpeg code, and let's suppose if it's a video, right? Let's say it's a video.mp4, which we are, and what we want is first ffmpeg will do like few things. One, get random frames from video. So let's say we get, like, this is a 1 minute video, right? So we will be getting 10 frames. Second thing we will be doing is stitch frames into one single image in a grid. And third would be pass this image to GPT. So this is, I think, just a test which we want to run. I did it once for a very small use case I was having. So it was not that, like, hard to stitch these things using ffmpeg. It becomes quite easy and handy. So yeah, this is what we want. We want to stitch random frames in one single image, and let's say the dimension of this image could be 2000 by 2000 or 2000 by 1000, whatever feels right to you. So in a 2000 by 2000 image, we can just add all these frames, random frames from a video, pass it to GPT, and GPT can figure out what this video is about because we have given some random frames. Himanshu, hello. No butterfly in Butterfly Beach. Yeah, I think Harshit, that's named Butterfly Beach because it looks like butterfly from top, something like that. Dundun, welcome back, man. Seeing you after a long time. How are you doing? I'm good. Today I got a pretty bad headache, and I was boasting about my sleep, I think last stream, that I'm getting great sleep. And yesterday was that day when everything fall apart. I couldn't sleep till like 3 a.m. and then I don't know how, but mosquitoes bit me at 3 a.m. Then I slept at 4:30 properly, and then I woke up at 6. Then again slept at 8, then woke up at 10. So I had like 3-4 hours of sleep, and the whole day I was having a headache. I was still working. I had one small meet with someone. So yeah, today was not that great. Varun, write a script where it take path of video and get frames from video based on its duration, extract images from video at 0.25. Yeah, I mean, we can extract frames randomly from the video. Like, it does not need to be on a specific, area, or if that's fine, like if you want to break it down into 0.2550, I would take any like random frames from, like, let's say first, because generally if it's a 30 fps video, right, there will be so many frames in it. So yeah, we can, like, if it's a 10-minute video, we can take like how many, 10 frames. So I'm thinking like we can have 10 images from a video, no matter how long it is, and that will give us a good idea about the video. Initially I think this would work, but later on we can still optimize this algorithm which you will write, like this shell script. We can optimize it as we grow this app to make it much better. But initially 10 frames from any video, stitching in one video, passing it to GPT. I think this works. Shubham, yo, what is this? This is the Cap IQ. Yes, Shubham, we are just talking about a script which will help us.
Imanchu Negi super chatted $1.15. Really enjoy your streams and
Imanchu, thank you. So first you told me.
Himanshu for the sent a super chat for $1.15 and included the message. Really, enjoy your streams. And LOLOLOLOLO. Go to the athenalerts.ai website
What
and
is
log in if you want
happening?
to
I want to
customize or
delete
switch
this thing.
characters.
This is too much. So I tried something today. Let me just delete this Ethan alerts. This was weird. And Himanshu told me to add this speaking alert, and now he's trolling this stream with this alert. I'm doing great. Pretty busy with life. Cool. I can understand that. Hey Zuma, how are you, man? Akhil, welcome. You got 2 TTS. Yeah, I just removed one. Shubh. So Himanshu played this on me. First he told me to add TTS, and then he played this game with me. Touche, Himanshu. I'll get back to you on this. This was fun though. Rashid, which AI ID you prefer? What about Trey? So Rashid, welcome to the stream. I have tried Trey. I'm not a big fan of that ID yet because it lacks a lot of features. And currently I think they are giving everything for free because obviously they want to gain users. I mean, there is no difference compared to Cursor, Windsurf. Like compared to Trey, they have like a lot more features. Trey is still in development mode, I believe. And yeah, they're marketing heavily though. I saw some Twitter ads for Trey. And yeah, and I'm also checking this new client extension on VS Code today, and it was good except for it's taking a lot more money. So yeah. Shubham, by the way, your GitHub looks like you are CEO of Apple, Google and Meta at the same time. What? Me? My GitHub looks like that. Did I update anything on my GitHub? What is there which looks like Apple Meta CEO? It's a pretty chilled. I code, I make apps. So simple. Zuma, I am facing an issue. My project is working fine on norm run build, but on Vercel it's giving me an error. Cannot find module. Zuma, maybe like try talking to GPT, share what exact errors you are getting from when you're building. Maybe try building it locally, do a yarn build. It will give you some errors, pass it to GPT, ask it what's happening. It will help you out. Yeah, if anything very specific, yeah, let us know here. What is this alag level contributions? I don't know. Varun, I write like this 025 using Fluent FFmpeg static, which gives output as object file name image. But my doubt is we process video in backend or in app. This all happens in app locally using. We have no backend for this app. The only backend, I think there will be no backend. We don't want a backend because we want users to give, like they can enter their API key, and using that API key, the app will start working. So we do not need a backend. Everything happens locally. Shubham, not even this year, since 2016. You mean in my GitHub, right? I don't know. Yes, I've been since when I've been coding, like it's like 1100 contributors last year, been coding since 2012. So yeah, it is what created a repository that has many stars. Okay, Starstruck. I think these are some achievements, badges which GitHub gives. Co-authored commits on merge pull request. What is this? YOLO. You want it, you merge it. I have done YOLO a lot. I'm seeing them for the first time, to be honest, today. I don't know what these are. Quick draw, giddy up. closed within 5 minutes of opening. Yeah, I have done that multiple times. Then there is pull shark, open pull requests that have been merged. I have done that a lot of time. Oh yeah, I did give my pull request once. I contributed to open source this, which got merged, and this was a full stack React company, and they have this library React Native Auth, and I had one issue which I was facing, which I fixed. I completely forgot about that as well. Is this still relevant? Yeah, it has 805, but this is not relevant now. So it's been 8-9 years. This library has not been updated. But back then I was using it to, authenticate my app using Slack, and this was the app which was providing all the authentication buttons and the whole flow. So this was one. And what is this? Arctic Code Vault. Yeah, this is something which GitHub does. They have this Arctic Code Vault where your code gets, if you contribute on that time and the whole code, I think they put it in some Alaska, some data center. So my code is there in Arctic Code Vault. I'm happy. It's not a big deal though. Anybody who pushes, it will be there. Oh yeah, about like green, right? Yeah, let's check it out. So this is the time when I technically left my job. So I was like coding a lot. Then whole month, this month, and June, July, I think this time I was traveling, so a little bit less green. Then here also I was traveling, less green. Then this is the time when my brother got married and I was like away for almost 2 months. So whole November, December, and in the January I came back and I again started pushing more things. So yeah, this was the month where I was like chilling mostly for 2 months. But my doubt is we process video. Okay, yeah. So Varun, we process everything locally, and I think do we need so many FFmpeg? I think just FFmpeg can do a lot of things. So I use it for a lot of stuff. But yeah, whatever is easier. Currently the task which I am thinking of, like which is very helpful, is making just a script where I can run that in any folder and it will generate these tags for me. Let's say if I have 10 images in that folder, so I want tags generated for all these images with the name of, for example, like if the image name is img123.jpg, so the text file should be created as img123.txt for each file, and this should, like, the script should run and do all this by itself. So it will be a very easy POC for us, proof of concept, which I can maybe integrate directly into the app and we can have a dashboard running immediately. So that's the main task. Like, this is the POC task basically. But we will come back to that script. We will make it much better. But for POC, I think this is good enough. Amit, hi Amit, how are you doing, man? How are you doing today? I am doing pretty good. Again, I was just telling on the stream that I've been suffering from a mild headache since morning. I couldn't sleep properly last night, and yeah, that has affected me on a little bit of, this. Okay, what is else? Shubham, you have so many contributions. I wouldn't do this in my whole lifetime. No man, you will. Like if you are a person like me who loves to sit in front of a computer, you will be doing a lot more. I was not very good with my time management back then. So green. Exactly, just see his 2019. Oh, 2019 is more? Okay, let's check. I haven't seen these things from so many years. 2019, how does my 2019 looks? 2023, 2022, 2021. This is 2019. Yeah, I think back then I was also using some things. I think there was a time when was it? Yeah, this not 2020, 2021. Yeah, this is the time when I joined some company and they were using GitLab. So I was not using GitHub. So this is the time, this whole 6 months. Varun, okay, I got it now. I need to write a code for LangChain, LangChai pass data, and need to change video scripts to take random images based on duration instead of 0.25. You mean LangChain? So are you using LangChain for on this script, or maybe just a API key or API call would be good enough? But yeah, whatever is easiest, Varun. So whatever is the easiest right now for this POC. I mean, and also for these images, right? If you are doing 0.25, 50, 75, which is also great, like use it if you have already written the code. I was talking random because I thought like that will be much easier than this finding out time. But I think if you have done it in this way, that's also great. Amit, take some rest, man. Yeah, I'll take rest after this stream for sure. Oh wow, we have 18 people. Interesting. Welcome everyone, and I would really appreciate if you guys can send some messages and we can talk some stuff. Start a Q&A, no, start a poll. Let's see how people are finding these streams. Already 5 votes, already subscribed. I love it, like all the subscribers are here. So yeah, this is good. Apple launch, we'll wait for it. And yeah, let me just show you about Klein. So we'll see Klein, how Klein works. It will use my credits very quickly, but I believe it's very fast, kind of very accurate. And now I get it, like why people are sometimes on the chat mentioning me, why don't you use VS Code? And I mean, like this Klein extension is doing exactly what the agentic workflow for Windsurf does. So I don't see any reason not to use it. Where is it? How can I close this task? Yeah, let's go here. Auto approve. So I have given it auto approve, so it can read, edit, and browse. Also, they have MCP. Oh yeah, I also wanted to explore MCP, guys, with you all here. I'm so much bullish on MCP nowadays. Like, let me just share one thing with you all. You know, I found out about this MCP servers list. So this is what we can install. I think Slither is a website, Slither AI. What is its name? It's not this one. Wait. I think this is it, right? I did open it earlier. Oh shit, my phone is not here, right? Let me see. So basically with MCP servers, it has all the collection, this clear thought. So we can connect it with the clear thought mental models. Yes, exactly, this one. So we can give all these tools to our AI agent, so it can talk to our MCP server. And then, for example, if we wanted to make like some thinking on like first principles thinking, right? So we can connect and ask our agent to do first principle thinking, and it will go check with this MCP model and MCP protocol, and will take that particular prompt, put it in its context. So we do not have to write the prompt every time, because all these prompts are already hosted on these MCP servers. This is crazy. This is super crazy. I want to install it on my system. What was the name? Smither. Oh, not Slither. Smither. Smither AI. Smidri, yeah, this one. So Smidri is keeping all these MCP servers in it, so we can install anyone. And I also saw, like, I think 21st dev MCP is also launching, so we can like directly have while talking to our agent, we can just tell them, hey, get this component from 21st dev, and without installing anything or doing anything, it will talk to the MCP server, get that prompt, do everything. It's like fancy way of writing prompt or searching prompts, making it much easier to search prompts. So agent will do it on our behalf. Okay, crazy contribution. Okay, hi yo, hey, I'm new. What are you programming? T2 Scotland. We are programming this app which is called what? Where is it? Did I close that window? Wait, it's here. So yeah, Titus, we are programming, or we are building this app called Post Handle. This is a short form content generation app, and mostly I'm building this timeline, which is kind of complete now. And to all of you guys, also I want to mention, like, I have added this background layer, so I can enter any layer now on the timeline, and this will start showing on this preview. Right now it's loading because this is coming from server. I can resize it, and once we play, it will start playing the video. And even we can put any these video layers as well on top of it. So for example, from here it will start the video layer, and it also has a background layer, so it will move to the background layer. I also noticed that pin is not moving in the right location, it's jumping, so maybe we have to keep it synchronous properly. Synchronization is not happening because we are moving this pin based on some calculations on assuming the player might be here, which is not the right way. I'm thinking I'll make a player store on the global state, so every time player changes its frame, the store keeps that data, and then the timeline will be listening, or maybe the pin will be listening to move to that position, or the timeline will be listening. So we can just render this timeline component when the player is playing. Yeah, let's do that. And once that is done, then we can move and add the memes. So we can start adding the meme layer, which will be part of the element layer. So yeah, it's all the fun stuff now. Fun stuff is beginning. So yeah, Titus, I think this makes sense to you. Yugi, cursor theme changed. Cursor theme changed. Did the cursor theme release something new? Because for me, I'm using a custom theme. Amit, how about using Grok 3? Amit, I saw some results of Grok 3. I'm not super impressed, to be honest, by all the coding examples which people have shared. I don't know. Mostly in 2025, I'm thinking all these LMs are making more hype compared to the real value. And even after O3 Mini, High, DeepSeek R1, and the Grok 3, still I'm using 90% of the time Claude, which is doing a great job. It's fast. It is 80% accurate on all the things. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. Varun, do you use Roo code? What is that? Roo code. Previously Roo Klein. Okay, what is it? Roo code is an AI-powered autonomous coding agent that lives in your editor. Natural language. So how is it different from Klein? Is it similar to Klein? Mularam, hey Mularam, how are you? I'm good. How are you, man? Long time no see. Happy Life, yo, welcome, Happy Life. So how many already subscribed? Most of them are already subscribed. Some people found it via browsing. Some people popped up on my feed. Interesting. We have 19 people. Very nice. Crazy. Robin Granata, your message is removed for some reason by YouTube. Maybe try sending it again. Be the legend. What are you creating? Be the Legend, I just shared. This is the app which we are creating. It's a short form content scheduling and posting app. So you can directly create any short form videos directly from this web app, post them or schedule them on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Yugi, autoplay meme done. Yugi, not really. I was just stuck on this, making the insertion of this background layer directly to the timeline, and there was a lot of changes required because we also added Justin for state management. Varun, I don't know. I need to try it. Oh, okay. Roo code, you mean, right? I mean, if it's similar to Klein, I find Klein very interesting. It was very fast, and I'll show you now like how fast and what I'm talking about. So let's say if I want to plan something, right? Let's plan a feature. What I want to do is what do we want to do? There are many things we want to fix, but okay, so there is nothing to commit as of now. So what we can do is what Yugi said. So Yugi said I need to play the memes when I hover over them. So let's say how Klein will think about this. I want to like just talk to it, right? I have installed this new app called Super Whisper. Okay, let's close it. I want to add a feature when I click on any element in the background layer. Not click, sorry. Cut. This is wrong. I want a feature in the app, in the grid layout, background grid layout, that whenever I hover over it for a long time, then the image which is shown as a meme should play, because it also has a video media URL. So it should start playing whenever mouse is hovered over it. Let's see. So yeah, this is what we have written with Super Whisper. I don't have to use the keyboard as well. I'm trying this. I'm going backward, I'm going backward direction from development, like just talking to computer from my mic. Shubham, whoa, slowly you are growing. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you. You guys have been here from the day one. Yugi, okay. Robin, wow, very nice app indeed. Hi sir and everyone, just find out this channel and find out that you're doing live coding. Very cool room sir, I just learned coding though. Awesome, thank you Robin, and all the best on your coding journey. Hindami, is my message visible? Now it is. Did you send any other message earlier? Hi Hind. Vishnu, hey bro. Hey Vishnu, welcome back. I have a lot of things to show you, Vishnu. Vishnu is our product manager in these streams. Dun haha, retake. Yeah, it's a habit to make these videos. So when I fuck up, I just say cut because then it's easier for me to edit it when I'm editing. So it has done some planning, and it took me 0.09 cents of cloud cost, which is okay, which is not that expensive for planning. You got nervous with my yeah, it's a different game to give command with audio. And also guys, tomorrow new video is coming out. I hope you guys will like this one. This is a bit different kind of video I have created, and this is in collaboration with someone. So yeah, I would appreciate with all of you regulars if you can just give it some love and do share your comments as well. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, let's see how Klein did. Let me analyze the task and create a plan. Klein wants to read the file. It will read up because I have given it auto access. Let me check the background layer. It has done this. Now let's see what the implementation things are. The background grid component currently shows background videos as static images using the original URL with JPEG extension. The videos are stored in Firebase with both media URL and original URL properties. The grid items are already set up. Propose changes. Modify the background grid component and a video element alongside the image. Initially hide the video and show the image. Add a hover delay using set timeout. Hide and yeah, this looks good. So let's act on it. So this is very cool on client. So once you can plan, and once you read the plan, you can just click on act. Now it will start acting. So it's doing all the reasoning. You can also read what reasoning is happening, because for acting I have added DeepSeek reasoner, DeepSeek R1 basically. Happy to see everything, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. New video. Your last video has crossed 3,000. Yeah, I was also shocked. It's growing. It's growing. Varun, I subscribed you in a video where you talking with user of AutoGen AI. From that video, I became your subscriber. Oh, okay. So I was talking to my brother. I was taking his interview on that Auto AI Reels thing. Yeah. Nice. I got a member from that video. That's interesting. Because in terms of views, that video did not get much view. And yeah, this feels like a win from that video, Varun. Collaboration. Wow. Yeah, Yugi. I'm also excited to release it tomorrow. Shubham, Mr. Beast collab loading. It's not that kind of collab, guys. Shubham, Prime Gen. No, guys. No. I mean, like, when you say things like this now makes me a little bit nervous because that's not the collaboration I'm talking about. So yeah, the problem with DeepSeek Thinker is it thinks for a while and then this happens. This has happened like 2-3 times. Maybe I can do one thing, cancel, just change it to Anthropic again, and let's say act, resume. Yeah, now it will work. So you see, client, this is no cursor. I'm not paying any monthly thing. I can just use my API key. But the thing is, I'm pretty sure if I use it for like, let's say 7 days to do the things which I'm doing with cursor, I would be paying more than $20 using this compared to cursor, or $15 or $10 for windsurf, which I'm paying right now. Now it is saying I have implemented. Okay, so I don't want to reject. I don't want to. And they have MCP as well, like client. That's crazy, right? So it has, and also I like this, like the green thing where it says I have implemented what are the things which I have implemented, and let's see if it is there. It's not happening. Nope. So it's not. We'll check it now. Let me read the chat. Okay. I'm kidding. Please give hint which type of collab. Yeah, tomorrow video is coming. You guys can see. Prime and Divyanshu will make new platform. Get plays. The song is a bit loud. Oh, okay, Vishnu. Thank you for reminding. Yeah, even it was loud for me here on the speakers. Happy life. I'm facing a problem making a side project to make a lo-fi radio. My question is, what service do you use to save videos of users? I have asked GPT. It suggested me Cloudinary, but free tier gives 50 MB. Happy life. Maybe try using. I have used Bunny CDN. I mean, it will not be free, I guess, but it will be like pay per usage. You don't have to. Let's see pricing. So this is a good. The thing with CDN is, I mean, like Cloudinary also provides a CDN, so your data will be near to your users. And I have used it for my own personal projects. I have never paid more than $2 a month, $2-3, and but there were not many users. And even if you grow your user base, my friend used it to build something like TikTok as an Android app back in 2021 when clones of TikToks were very popular, and he was also not paying a lot. His app had like I think 500 users per day. And so yeah, try this Bunny CDN. I can say their SDK, their dashboard, everything is pretty simple. Be the legend. Whenever I use DeepSeek, the server is busy. Come again later. Yeah, that's the problem with me as well. That's why I'm like completely ditching DeepSeek these days. I don't know. It's the thing is with Cursor DeepSeek integration, because they have hosted the whole open source model in US. It works fine, but their own website and their own API, which I'm currently using on client, it doesn't work that great. Baljit, hello bro. Hello Baljit, how are you, man? Welcome to the stream. Yugi, please lower the music volume. Oh, is it still too high? I will even change this music. I don't know. I don't like this. Okay, let's play our old. Let's play this nice, calming music. We all need to sleep, right? So let's play some sleepy music so we all go and sleep. Today is Wednesday, midweek. Sound is loud, music got loud, no need. Okay, guys, I think it will be good now. What's up, doc? No need to add the text, just make the plus sign more clear. Okay, you mean add to timeline, right? That's a very good suggestion, what's up, doc? That's a very, very good suggestion. I mean, that text, this cursor added automatically and thought it's fine. But you're right, it's not fine. Where is it? Add to timeline. It would be better now, right? So, but the thing is, why our video is not working? So there is a delay here, but it's not working. Let's see if client has anything to say. I just tried hovering over the meme images, nothing happens. Can you check? Oh, okay, maybe it has added it in the wrong place. It has added on the background layer, I guess. Nope. Nope. So yeah, nothing, not working. Happens. Can you check again on the meme grid? So we are using Klein today. Klein is the thing. Background music loud. Now it's fine. Amit, thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm sorry I didn't look into that earlier. Yep, good. Like bigger and have a contrast. It is free for 2 weeks. What is free for 2 weeks? You mean Bunny CDN? Maybe. Try Firebase or Supabase. Yeah, the only problem with Firebase as a storage is, because I'm also using Firebase right now, but I want to migrate it, that the CDN doesn't work that great with Firebase. I mean, it's okay to store something, but speed and all is not that great. I use it as a CDN for my WordPress websites. Yeah, I have had better chances with other CDNs compared to Firebase. 0 degree. Hey, how are you? Hey, Zero, long time. I'm good, man. How are you? Yes, for the timeline. Got it. Thank you, Asap Dog. That's good advice. Shubham, I hope you read chat faster when you get 10,000 viewers. 0 degree. When Post Hog is launching, would love to try. Post Hog? Post Handle. 0 degree. Post Hog is already a crazy website. I like those guys as well. So it's an analytical tool which I use for my apps right now. So this is the I'm using on their free tier. They have a very generous 1 million event free tier for Post Hog. And also it's a open source project, so you can also host it. I tried hosting it on my T3 Medium AWS, this, what do you call them, EC2 instances, but it was not that easy. I mean, and that's why they are making money, because it's not that easy to host it. So you can just use their paid services if you grow, and I think their free version is very, very generous. They have 1 million events. So once you reach 1 million, I mean, your project is already doing pretty good, so you can start paying them, or you can start spending time to host it. I think still music is high. Whistling. Is it? Okay. Is it better now? Is it good? This is not Post Hog. Post Hog is an analytical. Yes. Which library you are using for video timeline in your project? Shivam, the funny part is we have built it ourselves in these streams, the whole timeline section. And that took a lot of time. That took, I think 30 days, because I generally code like 30 minutes or 1 hour in these streams. In this project, I spend only 1 hour a day, one and a half. So yeah, this was all built by scratch. No library, nothing. I haven't used any library, I think, here, except for the video player. 0 degree. Good too. Hello, bhai. पता नहीं भाई. Hello भाई, पता नहीं. Hello भाई. Bro, Pcoin is launching tomorrow. Pcoin. What is Pcoin? I am student of civil, so I am able to enter in its sector, in IT sector. I mean, it depends if you have interest in IT. Uh, you can. There are some of my friends who did mechanical engineering and right now they're like software engineers, and I think one of them is in Cognizant right now. So yeah, it depends. Like if you want to invest time and energy on moving your career into this direction, you can. What's up? Of course, and they make it harder to host, so they make profit out of it. Exactly, that's what I feel. Most of the open source project, right? They are so hard to host and manage. Like you need one dedicated engineer. If you have a startup, right, you need one dedicated engineer to always be looking for that hosted service. Then your cost becomes so high that you are paying for an engineer in your team to host the service, which easier is to just pay them. Why not just make it as a library? You know that it can make you more than the app itself. We can. What's up, doc? I think like once I am good with the whole thing, I can make it as a library. PyCon is scam. People are saying is a scam. I mean, yeah, most of the coin are kind of a scam. Again, I don't know. I am not into the crypto space for a while. I just have some bitcoins from I think 2016, and I haven't sold any since it has gone to crazy heights and then it has crashed to crazy lows, and now it's again at its crazy high, and I'm just riding the waves. Not withdrawing anything. I'm waiting to Bitcoin to reach 1 million. Right now it's at almost 100,000. I am bullish on it. Like it will one day be at 1 million, one Bitcoin. And then we'll think about what to do with those 0.00 Bitcoins. Shubham, okay. Give me advice on that, brother. Where I start? About what? What's up, doc? Oh, please, not the meme coin talk. Okay. Happy Life. Are there any perks in being a member? Happy Life, you tell me what perks you need. You need early access to the videos, or you need member specific posts, images. So I have like 3 members now. So you guys tell me, what do you think? What should I do for members? Yugi, like if you add background music, that comes in another line. Yes, so if I add a background music, let me add it like that. This is an MP3, so this will come here. This is the 119 seconds. So I can reduce the size like this, and I can also like click on any background video. Let's say this. Right now there's a bug where I have to manually reduce it a little bit. So this will be fixed. There's a bug when I have to resize it to make sure it's added properly. Bro, I was talking about, can we mine through GeForce now? I don't know, guys. I have no idea about mining and all, and yeah, maybe not the right person for this. Shubham, give 1 Bitcoin to me. Yeah, you give me 1, I'll give you 1 back. What's up, dog? Give the app source code. What's up, dog? That's on the timeline. Become a member, and then we'll talk about source code. Just kidding, guys. I'm not open sourcing this app anytime soon. Emoji of your face, Yugi. That's also cool. Like I can spend one day just make emojis using AI of my face. But yeah. Pata nahi. About where I start to study to enter SD job and interview. I mean, there is so pata nahi bhai. You can go to this website. I do mention about this a lot, and I think my video which is coming tomorrow, do subscribe if you have not. That will help you a lot on this career path and learning basically. So you can go to anything here in roadmap SH. For example, if you want to become a front-end developer, first you have to decide which kind of developer you want to become. This is also in itself a fun exploration you will go through. Then just pick anything, like let's say front-end. Start learning from this top, and then you will never look back. Shubham, 1 Bitcoin hackathon winner gets 1 Bitcoin, $100,000. Are you basically only vibe coding? Yes, what's up? I'm vibe coding. I'm a vibe coder now. Oh, I should add some, subtitle on my streams. Vibe coder, vibe coding. Yeah, thank you. What's up? I'm using it on my tomorrow's title. In your video's title, you have mentioned that indie journey to 1K MRR. What does it mean? 1K means like $1,000 MRR using this product. So it's the journey for post handle to reach 1,000. I might be doing live streams till we reach 1,000, or maybe after that as well. But here we need to have some actionable, point where we need to reach. So 1,000 is something that MRR means monthly recurring revenue. Baljit, they have a great graphic cards for their rigs. I have also created a mod to access it desktop. What is Baljit doing, guys? Baljit is like sharing some meme coins and then explaining about some graphic cards. Baljit, bro, I don't know about any of these things. Happy Life, early access to videos is good enough. No need to waste time making extra content. Thank you so much, Happy Life. Thank you so much. You're so flexible. I love you for this, man. And thank you for being the member. Yeah, then I'll do one thing. I'll publish tomorrow's video as an early access, and day after tomorrow it can be live for everyone else. Bro, what's your net worth? I don't know. I googled myself. Google has no information about my net worth. Be the legend, bro. I know, man. I want to create a successful SaaS in future. Can you please give me some tips and how to market it? So you want to build a successful SaaS, right? You need to have a good, project idea first. So there is a latest video which I released, and it's going a little bit viral. Like getting 3,000 views in my environment is said as going viral. So maybe look at it, and you will get some good, areas which you want to focus on. So yeah, that would be my advice. Like first find which kind of problems you want to solve, and then you start building marketing. Shubham, 21 watch, 100 loading. Wow, thank you, Shubham, for the reminder. What's up? Monthly recurring revenue, which means how much you make monthly from the app. Exactly. Thank you, what's up, dog. Shubham, loading. Okay, Baljit, bro, can we make an app through which we have access to all the movies and OTT platforms? You mean like pirating? Pirate app? There is already some pirate app. I don't want to promote them here. But I can just slowly say it. It's called, Flixster, flixster.com. I don't know if it still works. Varun, don't waste time on extra content. Cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you for saving some of my time. But I'll still make some videos which I might not want to share publicly with everyone. Some like local videos on somewhere I travel and all. So if you guys are interested in that, I can do that for the members. What's up? Have you already launched previous apps, or is it the first? What's up, doc? I have launched a couple of apps. If you go to my bento, so here you can see like one of my app which was, so this app, I don't know how it got famous in Brazil though. It's and calories, and then there was AI shot which still gets some users almost every week right now. Then AI sidekick is something which is not live, not getting any money, but this is the backbone of all my projects at this point. Human app, which I spend a lot of time, it's right now in my machine. And I think then there are my iOS apps which are live. I was majorly doing iOS apps before this, but then I thought, okay, I need to diversify my project base to make more web apps. Very nice. So what is happening here? Popped up on my feed, 21%, browsing 7%. Nice. This is good to know. Like out of 100 people, 20 are finding me via feed. I would take it. So we are almost on time. In 5 minutes, we'll be wrapping it up. I'm liking these quick streams as well. And I also bought one domain. I don't want to share it today. And it's about the thing which we were discussing in yesterday's stream. So yeah, I got a domain for that. And I'm making, after that hackathon project is done, like the landing page, then we will start on that. Chill guy head. Chill guy is like, let me take, like, okay, chill guy should take a rest. Sleep, chill guy. Bro, you should code while talking. uh I tried. I don't know, my mind doesn't work that way. It's not very good in multitasking. When I'm talking, I'm just talking, and when I focusing, I'm just focusing. That's why, like, what's up code, I think I was doing these streams for 2 hours, and then I found out I was not being very productive in the whole 2 hour. So I have like broken down these streams to 1 hour each. 1 hour I just code from 8:30 to 9:30 on this project, and then at 9:30 to 10:30 I'm doing these lives, like where if I code, or sometimes I code, sometimes I don't. But yeah, I definitely want to make sure that our memes are playing Yugi's request. So let's say what it is saying here. 500 hour delay before video plays, smooth fade. But nothing is happening, right? Nothing is happening. The video playback is not happening. Or maybe I can just stop. So the video playback is currently not happening when we hover our mouse over the meme grid elements. Please take a look if any other layer which is as an overlay on top of it is hindering with the hover logic. Let's see. Baljit, bro, some tips to crack IIT Baljit, bro, what are you doing? From meme coins to graphic cards to IIT you are juggling, bro. So to be honest, I have no idea. I am not an IITian myself, and maybe some other people who have done that, they can help you out. Or maybe like there are a lot of courses online, right? There's a whole education economy around this. So yeah. Shubham, you have a lot of things. Me? What's up, doc? Can you share your bento link? Bento link. Okay, here. What's up, code? I have shared. Zuma, bhai, I've been to Stack Overflow since ChatGPT was giving shitty suggestion. Someone suggested you need to install npm types node for deployment. Is that true? Because this one also didn't work out for. Npm run build is working fine, but can't deploy it. It says module not found. So Zuma, the error which you are getting in Vercel, because Vercel also gives you the logs when it's trying to build, give the exact error to ChatGPT. And sometimes there is an npm, like, your environment, node environment conflict. So make sure the node version which you are using locally is the one which Vercel is using on their end. If it's not defined in package.json, sometimes that can be an issue. Number of concurrent connections has exceeded. Retry. So I have paid like half a dollar for nothing. What's up? Have you tried Cursor already? If so, why do you prefer Client? What's up, doc? This is the first day we are trying Client. So this is something which was mentioned in our streams a lot, that people were saying, why are you not using VS Code? I haven't used VS Code for last 6 months or 7 months. And this is today only I'm using it. Luckily, this is the day you also joined this stream. Otherwise, I am a hardcore Cursor user. And I also started paying for Windsurf because I felt like the Windsurf agentic mode is much better compared to Cursors. So depend on what my vibe for the day is, I use Cursor or Windsurf. And today we also started using Visual Code. Shubham, easy way to crack IDJ is to stop trying and learn coding. So Baljit, that means don't take advice from the chat or this stream. Maybe take advice from the people who are actually talking about ITJ, not coding. Okay, bye man. Today I feel very tired. Varun, awesome. Thank you so much for joining, Varun. I'll see you tomorrow. And take rest, man. Because I'll be sleeping a lot today. I missed my last night's good sleep. Yugi, lol, it's best way to fail. I tried that too. Happy life. See ya from my side as well. See ya, happy life. I'm also leaving in just a minute. No, because I failed last year. You failed this year. Better to avoid that. Amit, bye, man. Bye, bye, everyone. So let's end the poll. Okay, let me just quickly see if Yugi is here. Yugi, if it is working or not. Cannot read property, null of reading query selector. What is this now? Image, current query selector image. Why? This is stupid. We are getting this error. Fix it. Okay, yeah, thank you. Experience will try it. Bye. Bye, guys. I'm also leaving like in 5-10 minutes. And again, thank you so much, guys, for joining in. And I know my background, like pink light, is gone. Maybe the charger which I was using to plug it in is lost its battery. We'll fix it tomorrow. But again, thank you so much for joining, guys. We'll see you tomorrow again. Error now, you will stream 15. Yeah, sure. I want to make sure that. Oh wow, this is working. Yugi, if you are here, this is working. This is working, guys. Oh. Okay, let's see if it's working in background. So in background it's not working, but it's fine. So client did its work. I'm super happy that we were able to fix it via client. Another good thing is client also does commit and push. So it will commit and push the code as well. So it costed us almost $1. Crazy, right? In $1 we have done it. But what is the commit name? It did not update this though, which is not right. It should have. Is it VS Code? VS Code has this button now? Or this has been there for ever? Why Winds have removed it? Cool. Okay, guys. So we just updated it. Now meme section can be played if you hover over it. Yeah, like this. Like this. The sound is not coming, which is fine, I guess. Who would need us? Because it will become a bit annoying if everything is, playing with a huge sound, loud sound. So we're good. We have the background layers added, and I can just click on any of the element. This will keep on adding. As you can also see, the time increases. We can reduce it. We can reduce this as well. We can reduce this as well. We can reduce this as well. We can also add more video layer. Let's see that happening like this. And yeah. So tomorrow I'm thinking what I'll do here is we will start adding memes also in the timeline. So right now we have background layer, video layer, audio layer. Then we'll have a meme layer here. And once we have all these things, then we'll need a text layer. Once the text layer is there, then the whole thing is done. Now we can just be creative, add whatever we want on the screen and add any text, make animate, and all will add later, like animation of text. And then we'll put a render button. You can press on render, download the video, post it. Easy peasy. So I'm pretty sure, I'm very bullish that by this month end we will have our own video created using post render. Super excited. So yeah, there is a lot of talk on J. Yugi, yo nice, yo man, nice. Either you study. Okay. Shubham has gone on to a rant about J. That's $1 for the API. I mean, I think they are just estimating this dollar, not exact figure from the, or maybe I can just check, right? Anthropic. It's not here. It should be on this dashboard. Okay, I'll be a gentleman and use the other screen to see my API keys. Okay, Jen has used $2. So today it has used all $2 for these two tasks. So I mean, yeah, it was a bit costly compared to Cursor. So if I keep going with this rate, technically I do a lot more work than what I did today. So it will be like $4 every day. That means if I code for 20 days, that will be like $100 a month, a lot more compared to what if I can just renew my Cursor subscriptions on 2-3 accounts. So Cursor, paying for Cursor and Windsurf is a better deal compared to using your own API. This is what we found out today. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Apple launched iPhone 6e. Okay, I'm going now. I'll be watching the Apple event, see what they have launched. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys. Of course, Jay is a nightmare. Okay, Shubham is still on his Jay rant. Shubham, see you tomorrow, man. Sleep good and have a